Class of 23 event is becoming our tradition at Concept School. So this is the second time we are doing this. So we invited one senior from each of our 12 high schools. Those students were selected by the school based on students' academic success, their contribution to the school community, being a role model to their peers. So we invited 12 of them. They came over here. The main purpose for this event just is to celebrate their success. These students work very hard. They applied to one of the top colleges, got accepted with a decent amount of scholarships. So this is what really is based on the Concept School's mission statement. This is what we would like to accomplish. So these students represent our mission, and we are really excited to see the outcome of it. So these students are going to go to top universities. They are very successful, hardworking, and they're going to represent Concept Schools as our product. So we would like to give them our appreciation based on visiting top attraction in Chicago for 2 days, visiting Navy Pier, taking a tour, going up to the Willis Tower. So it was really a good time. So that's something that we would like to do every year, just to celebrate our student success in this beautiful city, Chicago.
The experience that Concept School offered me for the last 2 days to come to Chicago, it was great. I got to definitely see a lot of Chicago that I've never seen before. This is my first time visiting.
It was like never-ending fun, you know, and it was nice meeting people I've never known before, and just to, you know, make new friends.
It was my first time ever in Chicago, and also my first time on a plane. So it was a little nerve-wracking, but I like the opportunities that you guys are giving us, getting able to meet new people who are like-minded and have the same dreams and ambitions.
I've had the opportunity to meet a lot of new friends in these past 2 days, again with this concept trip. A lot of them are just like me. I think it's a great opportunity to see a lot of young, bright, and beautiful minds meeting together to do tons of fun things together.
All of the students that came here were also valedictorians or salutatorians of their classes. Not everything is just brains. They all have really unique personalities.
My life here 2 days have been amazing and incredible because I get to meet all the students from different backgrounds, from different states, but we all are part of the same Concept School that I wasn't aware of before. So knowing that we are all part of the same Concept School, but we all have a different opinion, different background.
I've met many people, many great people from different schools. You get to build relations, see your peers from many different states across the country, and you get to see like their view on school, their view on the world. You know, you get to see different experiences and all that.
The days have been packed with fun events, so thank you, Concept.